Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA TR8620 printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac computer or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TR8620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain. This is PIXMA TR8620. Go ahead and open that up. And then now you want to scroll down underneath software and drivers to expand that dropdown. And then select the TR8600 series driver setup package and the download button for that. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. And it should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. And then select Start Setup, select Next, and give it some time to check and see if there are any new updated drivers or software are available. You have to accept the license agreement, select yes, agree, and then just let this proceed here. And then you can select your preferred connection type, whether it's Wi-Fi, wired LAN, or Ethernet cable, or USB connection. And then you just would select next and proceed with the installation. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.